Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is George coming at you guys straight from EP3 Auto Body, and we have this 2015 Ford Focus ST. It's a vehicle that we actually traded for a 2007 Chevy Silverado. We had a fellow from Michigan come all the way down over here so that he could trade it in. We're gonna be spraying a very, very new and special product on this car that we actually got from Central Europe. It combines all the elements of a PPF, a wrap, and solvent-based paint. First things first is that we can actually apply it over a car without sanding any of the paint. This means that it protects the OEM paint. You can tear it off whenever you'd like within 6 years or more. And you can still wet sand and buff the clear coat that we apply at the end to provide a showroom quality finish. It combines the best of the three worlds and you get an unmatched product. What we're gonna be spraying on this car is actually a chameleon paint that flips from blue to purple. I know you guys are gonna have questions about why we sanded it down and primered it. The reason why is that although this stuff is fairly thick, it will show any rock chips or any other damage that there could be on the panels. We wanted to provide a really high quality finish on this, so that's why we sanded it down. But the roof is untouched and some of the other panels are actually just worked on very, very minimally. If you guys got any other questions, make sure to drop a comment below. If you guys like this, let us know.
If you guys put it in jack stands, why you guys took out the wheels?
Nightmares where everything fade to black. I tell my girl, hold up, I'll be right back. Steady smoking that and then I make a dope track. Ain't no way, stay. She ain't look, I tell my girl to put up right. Steady spin, I'm no, ain't no way, stay. She ain't look, I tell my girl to put up right. Steady spin, I'm no. Hustling sun down to sun up, boots on my face, stacking money bigger. Gotta get it all, never slip through my fingers. Ain't no way, stay. She ain't look, I tell my girl to put up right. Steady spin, I'm no, ain't no way, stay. She ain't look, I tell my girl to put up right. Steady spin, I'm no.
I want to show you guys the finished product on the 2015 Ford Focus ST. We actually finished masking it off exactly 20 hours ago in 20 minutes. It was pretty much 12 in the morning when we were done masking it and it was ready to spray. We sprayed it and we finished at 11 in the morning. We let it sit for a few hours, exactly 9 hours in the booth so that it could completely dry off, and now we're putting it back together. What you see right now is a finished product straight off the gun, no wet sand, no polishing, no buffing. If you want a better finish, we could definitely do that, and that's actually something we're going to be doing on this car in particular. We're looking for that showroom quality finish, and we should have that by March.